Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is Google Ads KPIs and matrices. Google Ads are a great way to start your message out there and help you reach new customers. They are affordable and can be targeted on specific audiences. How? On the basis of specific demographics, interests, and locations. In this video, we'll be talking about a few important Google Ads KPIs to track, which will ensure you that you generate revenues from your Google Ads campaign. So here is a list of some important Google Ads KPIs and matrices, starting with number of clicks, click-through rate, quality score, cost per click, conversion rate, cost per conversion, impression share, and return on ad spends. Let's start with the first one, number of clicks. This tells us which keyword generates most clicks. That is, the number of clicks an ad receives on Google Search or Google Display Network, that is GDN, is measure. It's basically a measure of its effectiveness of your campaign. This is really important as without clicks we cannot have conversions. And if your ads aren't getting enough clicks, then you need to improve your ad audience or keywords. Basically, your ads aren't performing that well or aren't targeted properly. The second one, click through rate or CTR. It is an important Google Ads KPI that every marketer should track because it gives you an idea of how competitive your ads are. Click through rate is basically a percentage of times your ad is clicked divided by the number of times it is shown. CTR is used to measure the success of an ad campaign, and a higher CTR means that more people are clicking on your ad, which generally leads to more sales or more leads. Third one, quality score. Google Ads quality score is a number that represents how relevant your ad is to the keyword you are targeting. That is, your keyword is exactly matches with your targeted audience and to the landing page on your website that user will arrive after clicking on your ad. A higher quality score means that your ad is more relevant. The fourth one and my favorite, cost per click, CPC. Cost per click is the most sorry, cost per click is the amount advertiser pay each time a user clicks on their ad, and CPC billing means that you pay for each click on your ad regardless whether a user converts or not. It's basically an entry fees that you have to give whenever a user comes to your website through ad campaigns. Google Ads operates on pay per click basis. That is, advertisers pay each time a user clicks on their ad, and tracking this KPI is therefore kind of essential as it makes sure your advertising budget isn't overpassed or isn't misused. Fifth one, conversion rate. This tells us which campaign converts the best. Google Ads conversion rate is the percentage of people who see your ad and then take a desired action, that is, a purchase or a lead. Google Ads conversion rate is important to track because it helps you determine how effective your ads drive leads, sales, or any specific desired action that you want users to perform on your website. Sixth one, cost per conversion. This tells us which campaigns are most effective. Cost per conversion is a metric that calculates the cost of getting one new customer or turning a lead into an actual sale. So we have a calculator for this that I want to share with you. Yeah. cost per conversion calculator. So this, when we have total cost per campaign, that is, say for example, we have 1,000 cost per campaign. Like we are spending $1,000 or $1,000 on a specific campaign, and with that campaign we are getting a conversion for 20. The number of conversions we are getting it at 20. So when we divide 1,000 by 20, we get 50. That is cost per conversion. So for each conversion we are getting, so for here we are getting 20 conversions, so for each conversion we are paying $40 or $40. Okay. This is also something that I will show you later. So cost per conversion. Seventh one, impressions. Impressions is basically getting seen. So Google Ads impressions are the number of times your ad is shown on Google. Ad impressions are important because they help gauge on advertising campaigns effectiveness. That is, whenever you go on market, you see good stuff. People who are having shops or who are having these big markets, they hang their most like sale product or good products outside their shop or on their banner. Why? Because there is a reason, like people will see that and then will come. So impression is something that is given a most important. Also, it gives advertiser on an idea of how many people are seeing their ad and how often those ads are being seen. A low search impression share is like a huge sign that your ads aren't getting targeted at the right audience. So there must be some fixing with your ads, and you need to properly target your ads. So till now I think you should have a good idea of what works for your ads and what are the things we should see, and from where we can get the idea of if our ads are working properly or not. Last but not least, return on ad spend. Amongst all the Google Ads metrics, return on ad spend is considered the most important of all. Like, it measures how much revenue you earn for every dollar you spend on the advertising. So the metric is most important because it allows you to track advertising performance and see if you are making profit or loss from your campaigns. Yeah. Then coming to this sheet, so this is something that I picked from Google Ads. So this is the clicks we are talking about. So we can select a specific date range, and then we can see if how many clicks we are currently getting, and this will compare it to the previous week. Like currently I'm checking it for 7 days, so this shows the lift for the last 7 days. This is the impression that I just talked to you about, and then we can like click on this drop down, and we have this drop down from where we can see different parameters as well, like CTR, average CPC, CPM, cost, target CPC, average ROAS, views, rates, and then we can check for conversions as well that we have created in Google Ads. Finally, the most asked question: what is the difference between ROAS and ROI? Before going to this question, please like this video, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel for digital marketing and analytics related content. So the difference between ROAS and ROI, this is return on ad spends and return on investment, is that ROAS only looks at revenue gained from a specific ad campaign. ROAS is short-term measurement, and it's the best metrics to use when you are determining if your campaigns are driving revenue effectively. But on the other hand, ROI looks at a much bigger picture. That is, it measures the return from large marketing and advertising efforts, such as hiring an, say, SEO agency, or hiring a freelancer writer, or maintaining a blog, or if you are paying any influencer for doing a specific task for your business. So all these things comes under return on investment, and then it shows a value to you. So according to me, it's good idea to measure both ROAS and ROI. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts related to any of the topic, please let me know in the comments. Bye.